Hey everyone, I'm back. I still have my truck. I still have that same engine power is reduced. Every so often I have to replace my accelerator pedal. This time it lasted about 6 months. Everything has been tested supposedly, and they can't find anything. They just keep replacing the pedal. Uh, so if anyone knows what it might be, because the dealerships can't figure it out. Um, Again, from day one, this same thing has happened. It always comes back. Engine power is reduced. Um, you can clear the code. It might stay clear for a little bit, but normally it comes back. I did try. It's on one forum where someone had said that if you have your key in the on position without it being started, you can press the accelerated pedal to the floor and release it, and do that 3 times. It's supposed to calibrate the pedal sensor. Um, that has worked for me a couple times, but I did that today. I've done it twice, and it didn't work. It worked the first time, but it didn't work the second time. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks.